to know if they are telling us, they are expressing themselves, because what they think, what we speak, what we do, we express ourselves who we are. So you need to take time that they belongs to me. My energy is so useless that I would spend on these type of peoples. Is this good for me to spending my energy in this type of situations, or should I defend myself? Should I speak? Should I explain to them? They will understand me. If I talk to them, if I become angry, it would be worthful for me. Ask questions from you, because when you ask question, you get answer. When you ask positive questions, you are get a great answer. Because when you ask negative question, you definitely would find negative answer, and then you would not control your mind, you would just let it go. So ask questions from you and in a positive way, and then you will find the answer. And when you find the answer, you will stop, you will take deep breath, you will make yourself relax. And the third one is start to let go things. You cannot stop anything. You can stop, you can control yourself only. You cannot control people, what you cannot control people's behavior, what they are going to do, what they are going to behave. You cannot control them. And you can control your choices, because anger is a choice. Anger is if you become anger, it is a decisions. Anger is not like it comes automatic, or someone throws on you and you it stick on you. Never. Anger, when you become anger, it is your choice. It's your choice, it's your decision. You choose that. You have option to choose it. You want to become silent, or you want to give your answer politely, honestly, or you want to give your response normal ways, or you just want to defend yourself. It's your choice. No one make anyone anger, because they are themselves make the anger. And it's not that something comes out, it comes within. Okay, so let go things. For example, if you are in your car, if you any I would say, if you are in a traffic, and you also have a important meeting, and there is no place to go to your office, and everywhere is uh, vehicles. No, there is no place to go out from there without 1 or 2 hours. It would take time. So you become harassed, you become angry, you just taking your time, you just saying you just watching your time, and become anxious, angry. You speak, become yelling to people, outside people, that uh, I am just very hurry, or you become so just you become so confused. And the second one is who is he knows he cannot control. So if someone know that some situation we cannot control, we don't have any power to control it, then they become silent. They call them and they say, I'm in traffic, I would be late, so postpone it and go ahead. If you are giving if you are going to give us if you are going to give a interview, it's okay, let it be. Make yourself silent, calm. It's okay, you can apply somewhere else. It would be good for you, because everything happens because of some reasons. So in that 1 or 2 hours, you can learn something. You can give your time in the best way, without instead of yelling or confusing, become angry. This it makes you nervous, So use your time wisely. Let go things what you cannot control, because everything happens with some reasons, and you cannot control people as well. You just control yourself and your actions. So I always tell you, I have told you four agents, and now let's come to the fifth one. And the fifth one is to become angry. Use so now I will explain that in next video. So thank you for now. Thank you so much for listening me and giving me your precious time. To the day.